How to checkmate your opponents in just 2 turns, if they make certain very terrible moves. Fool's Mate isn't guaranteed, but when playing against chess newbies, it can be done as follows. First things first, make sure you're playing on the black side, so you get the second move. Next, if and only if white makes this move, pawn to f3, which is putting their kingside pawn up 1 space. Fool's Mate has now begun. Good luck. White plays this pawn to f3. 3f. This move weakens white's king position by opening the diagonal that leads right to the king. Black must now play this pawn in front of their own king to e5. And what's happening here now is we're opening a path for a queen to get to their king. So right now, white has fallen into the trap of Fool's Mate. They can get out of it by protecting their king, but they might not if they're a newbie. If white happens to play this move here to make what they think is a developing pawn attack, or maybe a defensive flank, that's this pawn to g4, they've screwed up. This will weaken white's kingside even more, and it will leave the king exposed with no way of escaping. Black will play their second move, which is queen to h4. Then we have checkmate. There's nothing the king can do there to protect himself. He can't move, he's still in checkmate. This can't get in to protect him. This can't protect him. This is stuck. It's game over. If these 2 pawns on the white side come up and our queen is free to get out to this diagonal here, we have Fool's Mate. White cannot block this check, capture the queen, or move the king to a safe square. So it's not check, it is checkmate in 2 moves. Now, Fool's Mate can be very rare in actual games because it relies on your opponent making extremely poor moves. In standard games of chess, most players will not fall into this trap. However, it's a fun tactic to be aware of and can be used to teach beginners about the importance of piece development and king's safety. Many older players will goad younger players into making those 2 stupid moves in the very beginning just to show them how quickly this game can end, or maybe it's to show them that you need to be smart about how you move. And that's Fool's Mate. Have you ever caught anybody in it, or do you know a better way to goad players into early defeats? Well, let me know right down there in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. You are great. See you next time on Playing Games.